Hello everyone, welcome to this unique lens review. In this box, I have a Canon FD 150-600mm f5.6 L series lens. I recently purchased this lens and noticed there wasn't much information online about it, so I figured I'd share my experience with y'all. This lens was first introduced in 1982 and originally retailed for around $6,800 US. Today, the lens sells used for around $2,000 to $6,000 US depending on condition. The lens features many characteristics of its modern red ring L series counterparts, like ultra dispersion lens elements and Canon's proprietary white heat shield coating. But unlike a modern Canon Supertelephoto, all focus and aperture adjustments are done manually. This lens is rather large, weighing almost 4.5 pounds and is just under 19 inches in length. Internally, the lens is constructed of 15 groups with 19 lens elements and is coated in Canon's Super Spectra coating. Despite having such a large zoom range and lots of glass inside, the use of these UD elements reduce the size of the optical system while compensating for various aberrations, allowing sharp images with high contrast to be attained at all focal lengths. And indeed, the lens is very sharp. Here's a sample of a TX whiskey bottle shot at 150mm under studio lighting. And here at 600mm, here's a shot of an evening moon. Additionally, there's an integrated top carry handle that helps the user lug around the lens. There is also a knurled ring on the front of the lens that unscrews to reveal a retractable lens hood that helps prevent flaring and can offer some protection to the massive 4¼ inch front element. This lens is originally a Canon FD mount. However, my lens has been modified by a cinema house to utilize an ARRI PL mount, allowing the lens to be mounted onto cinema cameras. With this modification also comes a declicked aperture, allowing the user to move through the aperture range smoothly. Since this lens has been modified, the ability to use the 34mm drop-in filters has been removed, and instead 40.5mm ND filters can be used by screwing them onto the back of the lens. This was the first SLR camera zoom lens in the world to use an interfocusing system for focusing adjustments. Zooming and focusing are performed by a single knob, located on the left side of the lens. The minimum focusing distance is 3 meters, allowing for close-up, detailed shots. The lens is a varifocal lens, meaning with a change of zoom means a change in focus. While this is less than ideal for cinematic use and means you could miss a shot by being out of focus, so far I've found that zooming and readjusting focus is pretty easy. I'm able to attach the 150-600mm to my Fuji XT3 via the Fotodiox Pro PL to X mount adapter. The Fotodiox adapter is an all-metal constructed with chrome-plated brass mounts for a secure and a solid connection. My main reason for purchasing this lens was for use in cinematic video, and I'll say I'm quite surprised at the results that I was able to get. Here, have a look for yourself. Although this lens is well over 30 years old, it still provides a crisp, sharp image and is excellent for cinematic video. I do recommend that you use a large, sturdy tripod with fluid head, especially when panning. I filmed these shots in this video using a Sachtler FSB6 with carbon fiber legs. The integrated zoom, follow focus, and short minimal focal distance allows the cinematographer to frame and track shots and get extremely close up with relative ease. All in all, I think this lens fits perfect with today's modern mirrorless or cinema cameras. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have some more reviews on unique and vintage lenses coming soon. In the meantime, check out some of my astrophotography time-lapse videos and please subscribe for more.